That's what's called the Self-Clean Plus. It's a self-cleaning cycle that removes mold that may occur inside the washer machine. Now, to get started, what you're going to do is press the power button. After you press the power button, press the Self-Clean Plus button. Once the Self-Clean Plus button is pressed, the only function that can be set is delay end. Now, next you'll want to press the Start Pause button. When you press the Start Pause button, Self-Clean Plus will begin. Now, using Self-Clean Plus, you can clean the drum, tub, and diaphragm without using cleansing agent, which is a plus, pun intended. Never use Self-Clean Plus with laundry. Never use Self-Clean Plus when laundry is in the washer machine. It may damage the laundry or cause a problem with the washer machine. If you want to use a drum cleansing agent, use only 1/10 of the amount of the cleansing agent recommended by the cleansing agent manufacturer. It might remove mold if you use Self-Clean Plus. If you do not run the Self-Clean Plus after every 40 washes, Self-Clean Plus indicator turns off after 1 hour. If you do not run the Self-Clean Plus after every 40 washes, the Self-Clean Plus indicator turns off after 1 hour. However, the Self-Clean Plus auto indicator will light again after 5 washes. So you want to do self-clean. In this case, remove the laundry from the washing machine, turn the power on, and clean the drum by running self-clean. If you want to use a powder laundry powder, remove the liquid compartment. Not running Self-Clean Plus at this occasion will cause a problem with the washer machine. Although the Self-Clean Plus auto indicator turns on every month or so.